Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready for my New Year's Eve girls night in pajama jammy jam. I just came back from the store from getting the fish and the greens and I'm about to start cooking. So I'm making some black-eyed peas. The pot is going. I have to just season them up. I got the fish washed up with some lemon. I just have to put them in the fridge till I'm ready to fry them up. Got the greens soaking in some really hot water and some sea salt to get rid of any creepy crawlies that might be in there. Got the potatoes and the eggs waiting so I can make the potato salad. And I'm about to cut up this cheese and put on a pot of rice. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you a little peek into my process. So I'm seasoning up my black-eyed peas. I'm a pescatarian, meaning I eat seafood, but I don't eat any land animals like beef, cow, pork, pig, or chicken. So I season my black-eyed peas with sea salt, black pepper, and sweet smoked paprika, and I use fish grease instead of chicken grease. I always keep a supply of fish grease in the fridge for my black-eyed peas and my greens, and I pretty much season them up, let them cook down a little bit, taste it, and continue the process until I like them. I usually cook my black-eyed peas from scratch, let them soak overnight and make them from scratch, but I got started late, so I'm cheating and using the canned version, but I always use peas from BPA-free cans and no salt added. So smoked paprika is a secret ingredient to get your vegetarian style black-eyed peas to taste smoky as if you use smoked turkey or neck bones or whatever you use to season your southern style black-eyed peas. Smoked paprika gives it that same kind of smoky taste without having to use meat. And the fish grease is what give it the thick broth. I don't know how to explain it, but if you're country, you know what I'm talking about. And the fish grease gives it the same thick broth that chicken grease does. So I'm whipping together the potato salad, and I have some boiled cubed potatoes with some chopped up boiled egg, sea salt, black pepper, onion, lots and lots of sweet relish, some spicy brown mustard, and some mayo. And I'm going to whip that all up together to make this potato salad. And the potato salad is done. Everything is all mixed in. I didn't chop up any egg and put it on top this time. I just put everything in there. And I'm going to finish it off with a sprinkle and the smoked paprika. And if you don't know by now, I love me some smoked paprika. I like to put it in everything. But it's really good as a garnish on potato salad and gives it a little extra flavor. And that's enough. Let me not OD. So I got my greens all cut up and ready to go. My elbows, noodles all boiled up. The cheese is all cut up and ready to go. And we got some seriously sharp cheddar with some Vermont extra sharp cheddar and some Gruyere cheese. I could never say that properly. And I got my mix for my macaroni right there. That's some evaporated milk with some eggs, salt, and some black pepper. That's going to bind everything together. I was able to fit all of my greens in this big old stock pot. Don't be fooled though, because greens cook down to nothing. I'm going to cover them up and let them cook down some, and then I'll season them up. And the black-eyed peas are done, and my rice is done too. So I mixed the noodles with the cheese and some butter, and now I'm going to pour that sauce over it and mix everything up, and I'm going to top it with, you guessed it, a little smoked paprika. So the mac and cheese is ready for the oven. I'm going to cover that up and put it in the oven. Then I'm going to get to seasoning these greens, and I use sea salt, black pepper, hot sauce, apple cider vinegar, smoked paprika once again to give it that smoky flavor, and my fish grease, strained of the crumbs, of course. So I seasoned up my greens, and I'm going to add a little more apple cider vinegar and hot sauce before I cover the pot, because I like my greens spicy, real spicy. And I'm going to cover that up and get to tending to myself and get myself together. Now I'm going to go get myself together. I'm going to take a shower and wash my hair and do a quick wash and go. I put a hot oil treatment in my hair early this morning. It's just been sitting in there all day. So this hair should be nice and moisturized. And my wash and go should be popping. I'm taking a break from my hair to fry up this fish. I made some homemade fish fry with just some cornmeal and some Slap Your Mama seasoning, which is my favorite seasoning ever. I use it on everything. And I have the grease heating up in the cast iron skillet. So I wash and condition my hair. I'm going to do a quick wash and go. I put some Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in. And I'm just going to shingle some Eco Styler gel through it to do a quick wash and go. As you guys can see, my hair has grown out a lot since my, what was that, third big chop? And I did a hair growth challenge for the last quarter of the year where I couldn't cut my hair at all. So it's grown out a lot. I made protective style, or if not, I'm just going to take the sides and the back down. Even if I do protective style though, after the protective style, I'm going to try to let the top keep growing out long. And then I'm going to take the back and the sides down. I'm trying to do this really quick because I don't have a lot of time. I just want it to be a quick wash and go. My hair needs to be very wet in order to coil the way I want it to. Very wet with a lot of gel. I'm pretty much going to do that whole process. That process for my whole head. Now I gotta take a break because I have to go wash my hands and flip this fish. So it's like 11:10 a.m. My girls are here and I'm still not ready. All I need is like 20 minutes to do my makeup and let my hair dry. And then it's gonna be on. I'm ready. Just a couple of minutes before the ball drop. We about to wait for the ball drop. Karen, where you at? We about to wait for the ball drop. Then we gonna eat and drink and play games and turn up. I still have my Christmas tree up because I had gifts under there for the girls. We're going to do a gift exchange. I want to take my tree down. That was so pretty. Let's go over to Jenny. Say hi. Hey, Ryan. Speaking of getting together, Papa, say hi. Y'all never met my son. That's my son, Eshawn. Eshawn is 16. Say hi. That's G. That's Keena. That's Mo. And that's Karen back there hiding in the corner. But yeah, we about to turn up. Y'all see my little jimmies? I'll show y'all a closer look in a few minutes. This is the New Year setup. That's the table with all the favors. We already brought in the New Year and said Happy New Year. This is the photo booth area. We gonna get ready to serve this food. We got some snacks. We popping them batteries. Of course, we got sparkling cider. Them black-eyed peas are ready to serve. And that rice. And them collard greens. And we got the fish. Oh, let me get my oven mitt. Let me get my oven mitt. Ooh, get the oven mitt. We got the fish and we got the macaroni and cheese that I kept turning the oven on. It's a little crusty around the edges, but it's alright. Hi, Papa. Say hi to the people. I ain't say show your waves. Are you going to say hi? Oh. I'm following you. I'm following you. So don't fall asleep in my house because I'm going to get you. Do you see these two? They can't hang for nothing. Give them some food and give them some wine. And this is what they doing. Let's zoom in on them. Let's zoom in on them.
Ain't no shame in my seat. What? I pose. I'm posing.
Pose for the camera now. Click.
Orange is the new black. You were supposed to read it.
Like, really?
I can't. Babies. Crying. Nickelodeon.
Tommy.
Oh, Rugrats. TV show that comes on late.
The Late Show,
With David Letterman.
Why you keep messing it up? Why you keep messing it up?
You're not supposed to read it. I didn't need to read it.
And I thought I had too much wine.
Read it in your mind.
you know what's bad about it? And she's like taking her time. She's like, I think she's coming up with a real good clue, and all she's doing is reading.
I don't want no scrub. Scrub is the guy that can't get enough. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's